Hey everybody, welcome back to my Frosty's Kitchen YouTube channel. Today we're going to make some pizza. One of my viewers on another channel was wondering why I don't use increments of 500 grams or 1 kilo for the flour. So I was explaining to them that I don't usually go that way because I buy my flour in 20 kilogram bags, and so I don't really have any sort of limits. So I can make dough balls exactly to the size and weight that I want. But in this video, I am going to be using 500 grams of pizza flour, 325 grams of cold water, 15 grams of olive oil, 1 gram of instant yeast, and my last ingredient, 10 grams of salt. So those are the ingredients. Let's get started. So I'll get in all of my pizza flour. So that is 500 grams. And then I'm going to add in my yeast. Give that a little bit of a stir. Sorry for the noise. Okay, I'm just trying to hide the yeast in the flour. And then I'm going to add in all of my salt. My olive oil. And so I am going for a 65% hydration in this recipe. There we go. And then all of my water. And this is just cold tap water. Perfect. And that's it for the recipe. I'm going to close down the safety cage of my new mixer and we'll get this going. So if you want to have more information about this amazing mixer, I'll put all of the information down underneath this video in the description box. And I'll also put a link to the mixer and my unboxing and the first time that I use this in the comment section as well. I'm going to turn the mixer on. See a nice light that comes on. And then I'm just going to start turning this on. I'm going to take it up to about number 3. Turn this around so you can see it. So this is a really nice mixer and it is super quiet, and the reason for that is it's belt driven. Very, very quiet. So now I'm going to put a timer on for 14 minutes and then I'll come back. Alexa, set a timer for 14 minutes.
14 minutes, starting now.
Hey everybody, my 14-minute timer just went off, so I'm just going to lift the safety cage, and there is our amazing dough. Oh, that is nice. Alright, so as usual, I'm going to remove the dough from the bowl, and then I'll be back. Just going to get some water on my scale so it doesn't stick. So this dough's right out of the machine. And let's get that on there to get a total dough weight. Okay, that's the first step that you always need to do. And I'm at 842 grams. 842 grams. So that's good. So what I'm going to do here, I've decided I'm going to do 2 doughs at 320, and then the rest I'm just going to make a little baguette out of in my kitchen oven. So I'm just going for 320 on 2 dough balls. There's 331, 316, 320, exactly, right there. 319, 319, still 320, right there. So those 2 are perfect. And then the small one here, which I'll make a very tiny baguette, or maybe just a very tiny pizza, just a little munchy pizza. Let's put that on there and see what that's at. And that's at 202 grams on the tiny one. So there we go, perfect. So I've just added a little bit of olive oil spray to my bowls here. And then I'm just going to take the larger ones here. Get that, make sure I'm on camera. So you just want to push, bring the dough up into itself, kind of like a little bun. Flip it over, and then turn. And try not to use any flour at all. If you find your hands are sticking, just use a little spray on your hands. It works wonders. It's magic. Around like that, so you can see what I'm doing. As I'm going in, I'm pushing, I'm going like this. And what it's doing is it's bringing that skin all the way down. It's making it nice and taut. Just like that, and then right into our bowl. So another one here. Give it a little push. Flip it over. That's nice. You can go around like this too. Nice little finishing movement like this. And then right into our bowl. So the two large bowls for the two larger doughs. And then we've got our little tiny one here, little bambino. So let's bring that all in. Let's do this. That's good. Do a little roll. Perfect. And now I'm just going to spray the tops of all three of them with olive oil and then cover them with plastic wrap. So once I wrap these, I'll put a timer on for 20 minutes, and then these are going in the fridge for a 48-hour cold ferment. I really love that 48-hour mark. If you don't have time for the 48-hour, do 24. 24 is good as well. You just cover them. There we go. Perfect. Another thing I wanted to mention is that I have a brand new video posted where I did 2 really good tests using a pizza screen in the GOZNEY ARC XL. So if you are having problems with burnt bottoms, that's a video that you should watch. So just to finish off, 20 minutes on my work surface here, and then into the fridge for 48 hours. If you want to see a lot more pizza videos, you can check them out over on my pizza channel, which is exclusively for GOZNEY ARC XL pizza bakes that I've done. And I'll put a link underneath this video and in the comment section. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.
Hey everybody, I decided to add a few photos from those doughs that we did in our video. So all of the pizzas were baked in the GOZNEY ARC XL pizza oven for about 2 minutes at around 800 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's about 427 degrees Celsius. And the total bake time is always around 2 minutes at that temperature. So now, this really is the end of the video. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.